Cloud computing is all the rage at the minute, but do we actually know what it really means? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as you may think. First off, cloud computing is not new. You would have seen it in the past when hosting a website or even just checking your email. In recent years, however, cloud computing has been steadily evolving. This is all well and good if we actually understood it. So let's get started. What is cloud computing? Simply put, the cloud is a delivery van for computer services such as data backup, telephony, email, video calling, audio conferencing, desktop sharing, and much more. This is collectively known as cloud computing. Confused yet? Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to manage, process, and store data, rather than using a local server or a personal computer. Let's break it down further. Cloud computing is made up of 4 core parts. 1. A resilient networking ring. 2. Highly secure data centers. 3. Application platforms, which are hosted in these data centers. And 4. Round-the-clock expert engineering support watching over it 24 hours a day, every day. More simply put, the network delivers the services that are sitting on the application platforms, which are housed in data centers. And it is all monitored around the clock by service providers. Let me give you a simple analogy. Say you're moving to the city and you need to find a place to live. There are 2 options made available to you. You can either build a house or rent an apartment. If you build a house, there are some important decisions that you have to make. Once the house is built, you're responsible for all of its maintenance. How about renting? You make fewer decisions. You can start at 1 unit and grow larger later, or even downsize. There's no need to worry about maintenance or maintenance costs. There's no need to hire landscapers or plumbers or electricians. All you pay for is your rent and your utilities. Cloud computing works similar to this. It might be helpful to think of cloud computing as a pay monthly utility, such as gas, water, and electricity. If this seems a bit far-fetched, try this. You don't have gas, water, or electricity infrastructure inside your buildings, so why would you bother with services, routers, and telephone systems? It's all infrastructure, and in our current economic climate, it's money that can be better spent on more important things. In cloud computing, servers can be virtualized in the cloud, and telephone systems can be hosted in the cloud. So the cloud utility enables businesses to phase out virtually and access an entire suite of IT services on a pay monthly basis. So what are the benefits of cloud computing? Cost cutting. You can maintain easy access to your information with minimal upfront spending. There is no need to spend big money on hardware, software, or licensing fees. Increased productivity. A business can increase volume output or productivity with fewer people, meaning you can get less work done in less time and with less people. Globalization. People worldwide can access the cloud, provided that they have an internet connection, and a business can access their information anytime and from anywhere, making life much easier. Innovation. Enterprises can focus on innovation as they do not have to own or manage resources. Cloud computing facilitates faster development, testing, and research, and also allows employees to collaborate on tasks and projects through the internet. These are only but a few of the benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing was once a notion of the future, but now it is the present. All you need is the internet connection, a single login, and you're ready to go.